Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining how to handle events and class components in React. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a function that will be called when the event is triggered. This function is called the event handler. The event handler function must take one argument, which is the event object. The event object contains information about the event, such as the type of event, the target of the event, and the timestamp of the event. Once you have created the event handler function, you need to bind it to the current instance of the component. This is done using the bind method. The bind method takes two arguments. The first argument is the object that the this keyword should refer to, and the second argument is the function that you want to bind. In React, events are named using camel case, rather than lowercase. With JSX you pass a function as the event handler, rather than a string. Here is an example of how to handle a click event on a button. Code snippet. Class myComponent extends React component. Constructor, props. Super, props. This.handleClick equals this.handleClick.bind, this. HandleClick. // do something when the button is clicked. Render. Return. Button on click equals this.handleClick, click me, /button. In the above code, we have created a function called handleClick. This function will be called when the user clicks on the button. The bind method is used to bind the this keyword to the handleClick function. This is necessary because the this keyword refers to the current instance of the component when the event is triggered. You can also use arrow functions to handle events and class components. Arrow functions are a new feature in JavaScript that allow you to create functions that do not need to be bound to the this keyword. This can make your code more concise and easier to read. Here is an example of how to use an arrow function to handle a click event on a button. Class myComponent extends React component. Constructor, props. Super, props. This.handleClick equals // do something when the button is clicked. Render. Return. Button on click equals this.handleClick, click me, /button. Which method you use to handle events is a matter of personal preference. Arrow functions are a newer feature, but they are not supported by all browsers. If you need to support older browsers, you will need to use the bind method. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.